So we are cleaning the potato field here. Harvest is tomorrow. It is October 3rd, 2021.
Well, today we're collecting potatoes. It's a big affair with all people from the village. A big affair. Everyone was excited. It's getting kind of tiring. Later we're going to have lunch with Mariwara, whose field this is, but we shared this field. She's going to make a traditional meal for us, or she already made it. Sarmalis, which I really like, so I'm excited about that.
One, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 can fit into my two hands, so that's not ideal really, but they are there. They didn't all get eaten by the wild pigs this year, so we'll take them. It's quite fun, actually. I like the feeling of uncovering the earth and then just reveal the potatoes. I think it gives that like Easter egg hunt kind of feeling that we've had these days with things like foraging mushrooms or even gathering walnuts. So yeah, it's nice.
It's going well. It's a very nice day here in the field.
Coming all the way from Sweden to do this, huh?
Yeah, to learn how to grow potatoes.
Cum merge treaba, Mariwara?
Cum merge treaba?
Da?
Cum merge treaba, Mărioară?
Ce zice?
Cum merge treaba, Mărioară?
Foarte bine, mă dor patile.
Sunt cartof.
Nu prea. Nu prea. Mărunt. They're super tasty.
Are they good?
Excellent.